Hi, my name is Tanya Miley, and this is my online teaching demonstration. So today, the goal of this lesson is going to be for students to learn the TR initial blend. Hello students! Today we're going to be learning about a new blend of sounds. T and R, tr. These are going to be our focus words. Let's read them together. And at this point, the students and I would read the words together, and I would point at each word as we went down this list. Okay, students, listen carefully. There's something the same about the two words that I'm going to be reading to you. Look on the screen for the words. Trick, treat. Does anyone have any ideas? How about these words? Trip, train. Does anyone see any similarities first? All of these words start with TR, tr. And now some words have two sounds at the beginning. When the two sounds come together, you say them together, you blend them. For example, let's look at the word fly. In the beginning of the word, we hear f and l to form fly, fl. Plus l is fl in fly. Here's another example. Spring. The beginning of this word uses the s and p sounds to create spring. These are called blends. So today we're going to learn about the TR blend. So the T sound makes t, R makes the sound r. Together this sounds like tr. Here are some examples. Let's read them together. Trunk, trip, trike, train, tree. Let's read through it again. As I point to the words, let's say them together. Trunk, trip, trike, train, tree. Now let's put some other sounds together. This is also called word building. Here's our first word we're going to build. Tra plus a equals tray. Let's say the next one together. Tra plus ip equals trip. And one more for practice. Tra plus ac equals track. Now I want you all to pull out your notebooks that we prepared in the beginning of class and open to a blank page and have your pencil. Now we're going to go over each of the words that I showed you in the beginning. We're going to write them down one at a time and talk about what they mean. Then you can write a couple of words down to remind you of what they mean, or if you'd rather, you can draw a picture. So as a class, we would then go through all of the words that were on the list of focus words in the beginning. And after we were done going through each word and discussing the definition, as well as either writing it or drawing a picture of it, the students would then partner up and they would read their list of words to each other. After this activity was complete, we would then move on to the TR Blends worksheet. So students, I want you each to complete this worksheet on your own. Each sentence you'll see on the worksheet has one word missing. The missing word is going to be one of the words that we just wrote down in our personal dictionaries. So each of you will decide which word best fits in the sentence. Now each sentence has two options listed on it for you, so you can choose one of the two words that belongs in your sentence. There's only one right answer in each sentence. And then you can bring it to me when you are finished. And then at this point we would do the first one together. And then I would let the students complete it on their own. They would bring it to me when they were finished, and I would look over each one individually while the student was up there so that we could discuss if there was anything that they weren't clear on. Now, in closing, T plus R equals tra. There's one other word that begins with tra that I'm thinking of, and that word is transition. Who knows what transition means? Transition means going from one thing to the next. So now let's transition into another lesson. The end. And here is the picture of the worksheet I created that we would work on. So it's a maze worksheet. And then as you can see, just as I described it to the students, there are 2 words that can fit into the blank in each sentence. The student just selects the word and writes it in. And that's it.